Are you look best RV water pump? RV water pumps are essential components for maintaining consistent water pressure and flow in recreational vehicles, marine vessels, and camping setups. Whether you're washing dishes, showering, or flushing toilets, a reliable water pump ensures a seamless experience. With varying specifications, features, and price points, choosing the right pump can be overwhelming. List number: Seaflo 33 Series DC Diaphragm Pump. 4-year warranty, 12 volt. The Seaflo 33 Series DC Diaphragm Pump is a solid mid-range option designed for RVs, marine vessels, and general water systems. With a 3.0 GPM flow rate and 45 psi pressure, it balances performance and affordability. The pump features a built-in pressure switch, self-priming capability, and the ability to run dry without damage. The standout feature is its 4-year warranty, which reflects confidence in durability and longevity. Performance-wise, the Seaflo 33 Series delivers consistent water flow for small to medium-sized RVs. It operates relatively quietly, making it ideal for users who value a low-noise environment. However, its 3.0 GPM flow rate may not suffice for larger RVs or setups requiring higher water output. Installation is straightforward, and the pump's compact design fits easily into tight spaces. Overall, it's a reliable choice for budget-conscious users seeking dependable performance. List number: Shurflo 4008-101 A65 New 3.0 GPM RV Water Pump Revolution. The Shurflo 4008-101 A65 Revolution is a popular choice among RV enthusiasts, offering a 3.0 GPM flow rate and 12-volt operation. Its on-demand diaphragm design ensures smooth and consistent water pressure, while the self-priming feature adds convenience. The pump is known for its quiet operation, making it suitable for users who prioritize minimal noise. At $72.75, it sits slightly above the average price range, but offers reliable performance. In testing, the Shurflo Revolution performed admirably in both small and medium-sized RVs. The quick-attach fittings simplify installation, and the pump's durable construction withstands frequent use. While the 55 psi pressure is an improvement over some competitors, it may still fall short for users with higher water pressure needs. Overall, it's a versatile and user-friendly option for most RV setups. List number: Wasserman RV Pump. The Wasserman RV Pump is a budget-friendly option priced at $59.99, making it the most affordable model in this comparison. Despite its low cost, it offers a 4.0 GPM flow rate and 45 psi pressure, which are competitive features for smaller RVs and camping setups. The self-priming capability and built-in pressure switch add to its appeal for users seeking convenience, while the Wasserman pump delivers adequate water flow for light to moderate use. Its build quality and durability are less robust compared to higher-priced models. Noise levels are noticeable during operation, which may be a drawback for users prioritizing quiet performance. However, for budget-conscious buyers needing basic functionality, this pump provides great value. List number: RV Water Pump 4008-101-A65 3.0 GPM 55 psi 12-volt camper RV water pump on-demand diaphragm quiet. The RV Water Pump 4008-101 A65E65 is a mid-range model offering a 3.0 GPM flow rate and 55 psi pressure. Priced at $69, it strikes a balance between affordability and performance. The self-priming diaphragm design ensures smooth operation, and the included strainer prevents debris from clogging the system. This pump is designed for quiet and efficient water delivery in RVs and campers. During testing, the RV water pump impressed with its quiet and smooth operation, making it ideal for users who value comfort and efficiency. The quick-attach fittings simplify installation, while the 55 psi pressure provides slightly improved performance compared to lower-pressure models. However, its 3.0 GPM flow rate may limit its use in high-demand setups. Overall, it's a great choice for mid-sized RVs and users seeking reliable performance at a reasonable price. List number: 2025 upgraded RV freshwater pump, 7 GPM, 70 PS. The 2025 upgraded RV freshwater pump is the premium option in this comparison, priced at $79.99. It boasts a 7.0 GPM flow rate and 70 PSI pressure, making it the most powerful model reviewed. The 5-chamber diaphragm design ensures efficient water delivery, while the heavy-duty pressure switch and included strainer enhance durability and performance. This pump is ideal for large RVs, yachts, and high-demand systems. In real-world testing, the 2025 upgraded pump excelled in delivering high water output and consistent pressure. Its robust construction and advanced features justify the higher price point. Noise levels are slightly higher due to the powerful motor, but this is a minor trade-off for its exceptional performance. For users with demanding water systems or larger setups, this pump is the top choice.